Kozhikode, historically known as the City of Truth, due to its status as a major trading point in Indian subcontinent, with Arabia, China, Greece, Europeans and other major empires engaged in worldwide trade in history. Once, part of the Malabar region has witnessed different time periods and historical events. Famous travelers like Vasco da Gama, Ibn Battuta have left their imprints on Kozhikode. Almost all the trade and commerce organizations have their arm in Kozhikode due to its significance in trade and industry. In perpetuity to this, and a dream come true of handful of CAs practicing in and around Kozhikode city, the branch of ICAI in Kozhikode got inaugurated in the year 1982 as the 6th branch of ICAI in Kerala. Today, branch is celebrating its 39th formation day. The selfless hard work of a galaxy of past chairmen has helped the branch to cross many milestones during this period, including own land and building, examination center at Calicut, first ITT center, oral coaching classes for students and many more. Topping to this, we have been able to back the Best Branch Award of SIRC in the year 2020. Kozhikode branch of ICAI is now having a membership strength of 650 chartered accountants and 4,000 plus students in its jurisdiction spread in Kozhikode, Malappuram and Wayanad districts of Kerala. Amidst of an unprecedented pandemic times, branch with its social commitment took up various CSR activities including donation of food kits, pulse oximeter, mask, sanitizer, etc. to corporation and other needy groups identified. Branch also donated study aids including smartphones, digital tablets, etc. to needy students. For members and family members, branch conducted 2 COVID vaccination camps where about 425 persons vaccinated safely. Kozhikode branch of ICAI is presently headed by Chairman CA Arun Subramanian and his team.
Kozhikode branch is the 6th branch of the Southern India Regional Council of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, inaugurated in Calicut in 1982. I have been informed that the branch is having an active students association which conducts various activities related to students, including conferences, seminars, cultural programs, sports competitions to nurture the talents of the students. I am pleased to note that with its social commitment, branch conducts CSR programs such as COVID vaccination drives, donation of pulse oximeter, mask, sanitizer, etc. related to COVID-19 pandemic. Kozhikode branch of ICAI is now having a membership strength of 650 chartered accountants and 4,000 students in its jurisdiction, spread in Kozhikode, Malappuram and Wayanad districts. I congratulate all the members and students of the Kozhikode branch of ICAI on the 39th Foundation Day and all the managing committee members presently headed by Chairman CA Arun Subramanian. I am sure that the branch will continue to serve the profession in the best possible manner.
Start. It is heartening to note that Kozhikode branch of SIRC of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has completed 39 years of its foundation on 26th of June 2021. This branch, being the 6th branch in Kerala, was inaugurated on the 26th of June 1982. It is indeed a significant occasion for the branch. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India was set up under an Act of Parliament on the 1st of July 1949. It is the second largest accounting body in the world. The institute has 164 branches in India and 42 overseas chapters. So the footprints of the institute is not only restricted to India, but it has significant international footprints. It is a pleasure to note that with an objective to commemorate this important occasion, the Kozhikode branch is organizing a bunch of online events such as interactive activities and sessions which shall be proved to be immensely useful to the membership and also for the students. I am very hopeful that this branch will continue its efforts to ensure that the three pillars of the institute, that is integrity, independence and excellence, are followed by the members and the students of the branch. On this occasion, I would like to once again congratulate CA Arun Subramanian, the chairman of the branch, and his managing committee members. I wish the branch great success in all its future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Chairman CA Arun Subramaniam and my dear professional colleagues, a very warm greetings to you on our branch formation day. Well, I was the chairman of the branch a little over 30 years ago, and that, you will agree, is a very, very, very long time ago. And in those days, there was not this practice of the outgoing chairman being presented with a glossy album containing photographs of all the eventful things that happened during his term. Neither did I give Luke such an album, nor did I get one from Ramakrishna. So I had to look for an old album, and these days you have plenty of time because of the lockdown. And I did get an old album of that time, but unfortunately the photographs were even worse than my working papers, and so I will have to recollect the happenings from my rather foggy memory. We held a seminar on bank finance. Well, it was actually also a seminar for our own finance, for the branch finance, because those days we were not given liberal grants from New Delhi as is now given. So to fend for ourselves, we had to hold a seminar where we of course invited people other than our members, so that it turned out to be a little bit of a fundraiser too. And I remember the seminar was inaugurated by the Chamber President, Malabar Chamber President, Mr. P.K. Ahmed. Some of the distinguished speakers who addressed the branch were Chartered Accountant Venugopal C. Govind, Chartered Accountant Baby Kicharian, Chartered Accountant K.I. John, another forceful speaker. And then of course there was Mr. V.U. Eradi, who was then member Central Board of Direct Taxes. And to dissect the budget, we had Chartered Accountant G. Narayan Swamy. I remember probably the only time it happened, the branch held that budget meeting jointly with the Vyapara website Ekopana Samiti. Normally we hold it with Malabar Chamber, but just that time it happened like that. Then of course the most important thing that happened during our term was the inauguration of the PNI Memorial Hall. I must confess that all the work of the first floor was already done by the previous committees. And George, as the secretary, and me as the chairman, we were just the lucky guys who happened to be in office when it was inaugurated. So we had our most respected president of the institute, Mr. K.M. Agarwal, and we also had the pleasure of our vice president, Chartered Accountant N.C. Sundarajan, to grace the occasion. The president inaugurated that hall. Probably one of the few times the branch had the august presence of the president and the vice president of the institute. And let me finally wind up by noting that each committee, each managing committee seems to be striving harder and harder than the previous committee. And so that is very good for the institute. I wish all of you good luck and God bless.
Best wishes to all chartered accountants on this branch formation day. I was very much involved during the time of formation of the branch. The first floor of the branch building was constructed when Mr. P.T. Lucas was the chairman and myself secretary. We collected funds by donation from our clients and printing a desktop diary with various due dates printed on it. At present what we need is additional space, which I hope the present chairman and his team will fulfill. Thank you.
2021 ജൂൺ 26 ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഓഫ് ചാർട്ടേഡ് അക്കൗണ്ടൻസ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യയുടെ കോഴിക്കോട് ശാഖ 39 വർഷം പൂർത്തിയാക്കുകയാണ്. ശാഖയുടെ ആരംഭകാലം മുതൽ ഇന്ന് വരെയും ബ്രാഞ്ചിൻ്റെ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾക്ക് നേതൃത്വം കൊടുക്കുവാൻ ഏറ്റവും പ്രാപ്തരായ ചാർട്ടേഡ് അക്കൗണ്ടൻസ് മുന്നോട്ട് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെന്നുള്ളത് ഞാൻ പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഓർക്കുകയാണ്. എനിക്കും ഒരു അവസരം ലഭിച്ചത് ഞാൻ വളരെ ഭാഗ്യമായിട്ടാണ് കരുതുന്നത്. ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ബ്രാഞ്ചിൻ്റെ സാന്നിധ്യം വഹിക്കുന്ന അരുണിൻ്റെ സഹപ്രവർത്തകർക്കും ഞാൻ പ്രത്യേകം അഭിനന്ദനം അറിയിക്കുന്നു. വളരെ സ്തുത്യർഹമായ ഒരു പ്രവർത്തന രീതിയാണ് അവരിതുവരെയും കാഴ്ചവെച്ചിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ ആവശ്യം വളരെ നല്ല ഒരു ഇൻഫ്രാസ്ട്രക്ചർ ഫെസിലിറ്റീസ് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടാകണമെന്നുള്ളതാണ്. കോഴിക്കോടിൻ്റെ പ്രൗഢിക്കും മലബാറിലെ ചാർട്ടേഡ് അക്കൗണ്ടൻസിൻ്റെയും വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളുടെയും സൗകര്യങ്ങൾക്കും അനുസരിച്ചുള്ള ഒരു ഇൻഫ്രാസ്ട്രക്ചർ. കഴിഞ്ഞ കുറച്ച് വർഷങ്ങളായിട്ട് നമ്മളതിനു വേണ്ടി അക്ഷീണമായിട്ട് പ്രവർത്തിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടിൻ്റെ കേന്ദ്ര തലത്തിൽ നിന്നും ആവശ്യമായ പ്രോത്സാഹനം നമുക്ക് ലഭിച്ചിട്ടില്ല എന്നുള്ളത് ഒരു വസ്തുതയായി അവശേഷിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടിൻ്റെ ഭരണഘടന അനുസരിച്ച് ബ്രാഞ്ചിന് ഭരണ സംവിധാനത്തിൽ വലിയ പങ്കാളിത്തമൊന്നുമില്ല. യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ ബ്രാഞ്ചിൻ്റെ സാരഥികളാണ് ഈ ഭാഗത്തുള്ള ചാർട്ടേഡ് അക്കൗണ്ടൻസിൻ്റെ പ്രതിനിധികൾ. അവർക്ക് കൂടി ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടിൻ്റെ ഭരണ സംവിധാനത്തിൽ അർത്ഥവത്തായ രീതിയിലുള്ളൊരു പങ്കാളിത്തം ഉണ്ടാകുന്ന ഒരു സംവിധാനത്തിന് വേണ്ടി പ്രവർത്തിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഇന്ന് ചാർട്ടേഡ് അക്കൗണ്ടൻസിൻ്റെ ഒരു ആവശ്യം. എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് അത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു ചേഞ്ചിന് വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ ആവശ്യപ്പെടേണ്ട കാലം കഴിഞ്ഞു എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. എങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ബ്രാഞ്ച് തലത്തിൽ നല്ല രീതിയിലുള്ള വികസന സാധ്യതകൾക്ക് ഇനി അവസരമുണ്ടാകും. കാലഘട്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുള്ള ആക്റ്റുകളൊക്കെ തന്നെ മാറണം. ഇന്ത്യയിൽ പലതും മാറ്റിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ മാറ്റത്തിനനുസരിച്ച് നമ്മുടെ ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടിലും ചില മാറ്റങ്ങളുണ്ടാകുമെന്നും അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ കോഴിക്കോട് ബ്രാഞ്ചിനും ആവശ്യമായ പ്രാതിനിധ്യം ലഭിക്കുമെന്നും നമുക്ക് പ്രത്യാശിക്കാം. ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ബ്രാഞ്ചിൻ്റെ സാരഥികൾക്ക് എല്ലാ മംഗളങ്ങളും ഞാൻ നേരുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു.
I'm very happy to note that the Calicut branch is completing 39 years of its glorious existence on 26 June 2021, and I'm very happy to be a part of the Calicut branch, having had the opportunity to become the chairperson of the branch during the year 1995-96. I still remember the help and support rendered to me during my tenure as the chairperson. All the members are very cooperative and I'm very grateful to them for that. The need of the hour at present is better infrastructure facilities for the branch and for the members and the students of the branch. And I'm sure the present management committee members with Arun and the other members will definitely make this a reality. I wish all the members, the present management committee members, all success in their endeavors. Thank you once again.
Dear members, my best wishes to all of you on this 39th formation day of our Calicut branch of ICA. With less than 50 members in 1982, we have grown now into 500 plus members. The services rendered by the branch to its members and students are excellent. This was made possible due to the great efforts put in by the office bearers of the branch during these years. The present managing committee is also providing excellent services during these tough times by conducting webinars, providing vaccinations, and conducting online classes to the students. Looking into the future, we know that the membership of our branch is definitely going to increase, and therefore we have to invest heavily on infrastructure, mainly in building and also in latest machines. Thank you.
Hello friends, on the occasion of the 39th year of the formation of Kozhikode branch, I'm very happy to speak a few words. On this occasion, I would like to remember and acknowledge the services of various past chairmen and the managing committee members, all the chartered accountants who are whether in practice or in industry connected with Kozhikode branch, and of course the staff of Kozhikode branch and the staff of the various chartered accountants offices which are connected with Kozhikode branch, who help us run our offices in a very smooth manner. And of course the SICASA, the Students Association, the very vibrant Students Association. And because of we are very now surplus with funds, so which help us run the activities of our branch in a very smooth manner. The various CPE seminars, the workshops, the ITT training, and of course the other activities like the celebration of Chartered Accountants Day and other festivals which are done in a grand manner. We are also involved in various social causes like contributing to the Pain and Palliative Society, the buying equipments for the beach hospital, and then we had also done a bit in collection of funds for the floods. Now we are also from a very small level. Now our branch is having more than 650 members, which is huge. Hopefully we may be able to move to a bigger premises soon with the help of the powers that be. And that's it. On this occasion, I wish our dynamic chairman, C.A. Arun Subramanian, and his team a great year ahead. God bless you. Best wishes.
Hi, I'm very happy to note that the Calicut branch of ICI is celebrating the 39th branch formation day under the chairmanship of C.A. Arun Subramaniam. Every year, under a new team, the branch is achieving greater heights. I wish the dynamic chairman, C.A. Arun Subramaniam, and his energetic team success in all its endeavors. During my tenure as chairman in 2001-2002, I was very lucky to have the support of a wonderful team like C.A.C. Mohan as secretary, C.A.P. Jayakrishnan as vice chairman, and C.A.R. Rajagopalakrishnan as treasurer. One important event occurred during our period is an All Kerala Chartered Accountants meet at Taj Residency, Calicut, with the then Industries Minister P.K. Kunyalikutti as the chief guest and Central Council member Santhanakrishan, a stalwart of our profession, as guest of honor. Over 400 chartered accountants from all over Kerala attended the seminar. This was a time when the IT initiatives of the ICAI were at a beginning stage. This meeting happened to be a big drive for the IT initiatives. Calicut branch had the largest participation percentage-wise in the Diploma in Information Systems audit course conducted by ICAI during that year. Thank you.
My dear professional colleagues, the Calicut branch of ICAI was inaugurated by the then President of the Institute, C.A. Bansidhar S. Mehta, on 26 June 1982. At this moment, I recognize and acknowledge the contributions of our past President, late C.A. P.A. Nair, the members of the first Managing Committee of Calicut branch, C.A. K.K.S. Nambiar, my beloved father, C.A. P.R. Menon, C.A. M.V. Venugopal, late C.A. T.S. Ranganathan, and C.A. Arjun Nedungadi, and many other chartered accountants, past presidents, members of the managing committee, various managing committee, who have put in a lot of efforts to bring the Calicut branch to this stature. I take pride to say that I too got a chance to serve the Calicut branch of the Institute during the period 1998 to 2003. I wish you all a very happy 39th anniversary of the Calicut branch of ICAI. Thank you.
Hi, I am Rajagopal Krishnan, past chairman of the branch 2003-2004. Our chairman C. Arun wanted me to give you a short message in the occasion of this branch foundation day. Let me first congratulate the managing committee for conducting the affairs of the branch in an exemplary manner towards this year. I also wish the committee all the best in their endeavors for the rest of the year. Our branch has come a very long way from being in a small room in Annie Hall Road when the branch was initially started, and then with our own building and other infrastructure in its location today. In this occasion of this foundation day, I have just two suggestions for the managing committee to take things forward. One is regarding our infrastructure. We have been trying, the successive managing committees last few years have been trying very hard to get a new space with ample facilities for our students and members, but to no avail for various reasons. This should be our priority in the near future, and I think we should not depend too much on the Central Council to give us the grant or any such thing if there are technical difficulties in that. I'm sure the Chartered Accountants of Kozhikode can easily raise the required amount that is required for the land. The building, maybe we can look at the grant of the Central Council. The second thing I would like to emphasize on is the classes for the students. Over the years, there's a feeling that the private classes, coaching classes are better than the classes which are done in the institute. This is although not true, but the perception is such that we need to take steps to revamp the classes both in depth as well as in stature. For this, we need to bring in more and more younger and newer faculties and also improve the depth and coverage of the classes so as to cover all the levels of foundation, intermediate and final. I wish the managing committee all the best in their endeavors, and Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am very happy to note that our branch is stepping into 39th year from the date of its opening. I am also happy to note that the branch activities are going very well, and at this situation I really wish to congratulate Mr. Past Chairman Mr. Dawood and his team who brought credentials to the branch as best branch in SIRC the last year. Even though in the pandemic situation we are not in a position to meet each other, but the coherent virtual meetings arranged by the branch made us to close and at least see in the screen. And I also wish the branch team best wishes for the coming programs. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak.
Good evening, everyone. It is with immense pleasure and pride I address this felicitation on the 36th formation day of our Calicut branch of the ICAI. I had the fortune of being in the managing committee of the Calicut branch from 2003 and was made the chairman in the year 2008-9. My coming to the managing committee and taking over active role in the activities started as a faculty of the branch since 1996. Past Chairman C.S.C. Mohan, along with C.A. Jayakrishnan and C.A. Rajagopal, invited me to the managing committee. Since then, it was a saga of experiences and cherishing moments in further shaping of me as a better professional. The branch, hailing its roots from our most respected and beloved late C.A. K.K.S. Nambiar and the living legends among the chartered accountants, C.A. P.R. Menon, has started in the year 1982 and has now completed 36 years of its existence and service to the profession and to the society. It is indeed a proud moment for all of us in Calicut to see the growth and the present status of the activities of our branch.
Good morning, my dear members and friends. Today is a very special day for our Calicut branch. Today is the 39th formation day of our branch. Our branch was formed in the year 1982, and since then it has become one of the most vibrant branches, not only in southern region but also among all the other branches in India. I was fortunate and honored to be the chairman of this prestigious branch during the year 2010-11. I sincerely believed that I could able to serve my level best to the members as well as the student fraternity of this branch. When we march towards the 40th year of formation, I strongly believe that we may be able to move to a new building or identify a new premises as a part of infrastructure development. This was our dream for the past 1 or 2 decades. As a past chairman, I extend my full support and cooperation to achieve this feat. And I wish the chairman, C. Arun Subramanian, and his team all the very best and happy formation day to all the members. Thank you so much.
auspicious anniversary of branch formation, I would like to place on record the contributions of all the chartered accountants who were instrumental in bringing the branch into existence. Congratulating Chairman and his team for celebrating. Hello friends, I am Ranjini Umesh, worked in the Managing Committee of Calicut branch of ICAI for 6 years from 2009 to 2014 and was a chairperson in the year 2013-14. It was great experience for me. We were like a family who looked forward to weekly MC meetings, organizing and conducting seminars and workshops. Some highlights being residential seminar in Mysore jointly with Mysore and Kannur branches, joint seminar with Kannur branch in Sargalaya, and national seminar on direct taxes, to name a few, under my chairmanship.
As a past chairman of Kozhikode branch of ICAI, I have great pride and pleasure in its auspicious occasion of 39th branch formation day. On this auspicious occasion, I convey my branch formation day greetings to all. I fondly admire the efforts of our predecessors who took their efforts in for the formation of our branch. Our branch is doing lot of things for the benefit of members in conducting CP seminars and for students in conducting classes. Our members and students are benefiting the most out of it. On students training, I can proudly say that our students performs very well and pass CA examinations with flying colors. All this is happening because of the unanimous support of all the members, staff and teaching faculties. During my tenure, we made a computer training center which benefited the student community at large. We have catered to the need of students who were until then undergone computer training at faraway places. Also, we could revamp the SICAS activities and ignited Satsang for fulfilling the academic and cultural talents in students. A positive trend I have noticed during the last couple of years is the entry of young members coming to the practice, which shows the prosperity of our CA profession. Our new managing committee also comprises able young vibrant members under the leadership of CA Arun Subramanian. I wish them all the very best in fulfilling the aspirations of CA fraternity and bringing more glory to our profession. Our branch and members are doing commendable support to the society in this testing time of pandemic. Our branch has achieved Best Branch Award last year. Is a testimony of the functioning of branch to the aspirations of members and society at large. I wish our branch all the very best and also wish to fulfill our long cherished dream of moving our branch to a more spacious place which will cater to the increasing training requirements of members and students. Thank you.
Dear members, I am very happy to know that Calicut branch of ICAI is celebrating its 39th formation day. I take this opportunity to remember with gratitude the contribution made by our past chairman and senior members for making this branch a success and reaching this branch to this stage. Now we have more than 600 members and more than 2,000 students, and the activities are going on in full swing. I take this opportunity to congratulate past chairman Dawood for winning Best Branch Award during last year. Present chairman Arun is also doing a wonderful job conducting a lot of virtual meetings and other programs. And this team has also arranged COVID vaccination to the family members and members at this time when the availability of vaccine is very scarce. Congratulations, Arun, for taking up this novel project. And you all know that the present branch premises is not sufficient to cater the demands of students and members. We have been looking for a suitable land and building for the branch. I'm sure that this year, under the leadership of Arun, this dream will be fulfilled. I extend my support to the branch in all their endeavors. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, today is our 39th Foundation Day. Our branch has been steered to this enviable position by the earlier managing committees. We have several resources of our own and are quite comfortable. Our present managing committee is young and energetic, and I am sure will be able to carry the mantle further. Thank you.
Respected seniors of the profession and my dear colleagues, Kozhikode branch of ICA is celebrating its 39th branch formation day on this 26th June 2021. Branch has progressed well on all aspects over the years and even bagged the Best Branch Award during last year. Myself, C. Shachikumar, past chairman, really fortunate to be part of Kozhikode CA fraternity. We start celebrating branch formation day from 2018 during my tenure of chairmanship. On 26 June 2018, we could celebrate the same with the presence of its founder chairman, the respected CA KKS Nambiar sir, and founder member CA Arjun Nalangadi sir, along with our Central Council member CA Babu Abraham Kalivel sir. I salute all past chairman and managing committee members for their contribution and efforts they made to Kozhikode branch over the years. Only regret is that our long-standing need and wish for a land to construct building for the branch could not be materialized as of yet. Hope the present chairman and MC will take it forward to get some positive results in the near future. In spite of COVID pandemic crisis for the last 14 months, chairman and MC are doing their level best for the benefit of the members and students and staff. Wish that the branch climb to better heights in the days to come. Wish you all a very happy branch formation day and CA day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
On this 39th branch formation day, I feel privileged to address members. I am proud to be a part of the CA family at Calicut branch, wherein my journey to CA commenced. In the 39th year, I was able to contribute a member to the CA fraternity, my own son. I take this opportunity to appreciate and congratulate Chairman CA Arun Subramanian and his team and the branch staff for the consistent efforts taken by them in the conduct of the branch activities in spite of the turbulent times of pandemic. Special note was taken of the vaccination drive on June 4th, wherein members and their families were able to get themselves vaccinated without a visit to the hospital in this COVID situation. I wish well for the branch, and I conclude with the words, God bless, thank you, Jai ICA.
Heartiest congratulations to the Calicut branch of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and its members for celebrating the 39th Foundation Day of the branch. Calicut branch is one of the most active branches of the institute in the southern region, and especially in Kerala in terms of its activities and in terms of its services to the members and students. My congratulations to the chairman of the branch, Arun Subramanian, vice chairman and secretary Mujib Rahman, treasurer Surya Narayanan, and Sikasa chairman Sachin Shashidharan, who is ably supported by the immediate past chairman of the branch, Mohammad Dawood. I am extremely glad and delighted that the branch was inaugurated on 26th of June 1982 by the then President of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Benji S. Mehta. And since then, the branch has grown by leaps and bounds. This branch has born out of the vision of the only one and single Malayali past president from Kerala, that also from the Malabar region, late P.A. Nair. It is his desire which has been translated as a branch in the year 1982. My fond remembrance to the noble soul of late P.A. Nair. And befittingly, the branch has named its auditorium under P.A. Nair Memorial Hall. My congratulations to the branch. I think it is also time to remember the forefathers of this branch, the founding fathers of this branch. The founder chairman, K.K.S. Nambiar sir, P.R. Menon sir, Venugopal M.V. as a secretary, T.S. Ranganathan sir, Arjun Nedungadi sir. I think I'm glad all of them has become the past chairman of this branch. When it formed, there was only 64 members. Now it is nearly 500 members, and it has got its own address. The building got inaugurated on 25th of January 2008 by then President Honorable C.A. Vedji, and also the second floor of the building was also got inaugurated in December 2008 by past President Uttam Prakash Agarwalji. I congratulate the branch and its members for their immense service to the society, profession and members and students. I wish all the very best. Thank you very much.
Good morning to all of you. I am extremely delighted to be part of this 39th Formation Day celebrations of our Calicut branch. I was fortunate to be associated with the branch from the year 2001, initially as a faculty for technical programs. Then we had a lot of interaction, student programs, residential events, CP programs, and been very closely working with the branch and its members, and thoroughly enjoyed the camaraderie and the warmth. Today, on this very special day, we are blessed with the presence of our Honorable Union Minister, V. Muralidharan sir, holding very important portfolios in the Union Ministry, and also our dynamic SRC Chairman, C. K. Jalapati, as guest of honor. I am extremely happy that from K.K.S. Nambiar sir to Arun Subramaniam in this 39 years, Calicut branch has made major rapid strides in the service of members and students. And today we have an all-in-one facility, regular classes, foundation and intermediate for the students, intensive classes for final, all the mandatory courses, orientation, ITT, MCS, advanced ITT, all the mandatory courses we are able to conduct large number of batches, benefiting large number of students in and around Calicut, in the neighboring towns as well. As for members, we have a lot of CPE programs, high value adding programs. Arun is doing very well this year, and last year our Dawood could bring the best branch award of the region to Calicut after break. So I wish the branch, its members, its students, our staff members, all the very best in the days to come. Let us continue to work together in the furtherance of our branch in the service of the profession, and also through various CSR programs we are reaching out to the needy sectors of the society also. Let us continue the good work and move forward. I wish you all the very best. Happy and proud to be part of the Calicut branch. Jai ICA, Jai Hind.